Michelle True Adventures here, and we are at Disney Springs, Orlando, Florida, and we are about to go to Gideon's Bakehouse. I hear their cookies are delicious, so I cannot wait to try them. The line is super long, so we gotta go. We're just gonna grab one and try it. I don't know what they are. This is the orange pecan chocolate chip cookie. Oh wow. Orange and chocolate. That's good. I feel like there's chocolate on my face, but it's fine. This cookie is delicious. This one's a limited edition orange cookie. It's really good. There's about a little bit of salt on top too. Every bite's different. Oh, this is the peanut butter one. Both cookies are soft. It's really good. The peanut butter is not overwhelming. See the sea salt on top? Good. Oreo cookie. Sorry, cookies and cream. Let's take a bite. So moist. It's not too sweet too. It's like perfect. Oreo cookies. Sorry, cookies and cream. Delicious. So this one is the original chocolate chip. Oh man, that is just chocolate. I don't even know if I had a bite of the cookie. It was all chocolate, but it was good. That sea salt just gives it an extra so good. This is, I believe, the pecan chocolate chip. That is really good. It's delicious. Okay, this is triple chocolate. I feel like this is going to be overload for me. Chocolate at the top. So Gideon's Bakehouse is delicious. It really feels like you just made these cookies from scratch at home. Like, really good, 10 out of 10. I like that they put sea salt on every single cookie. Just that little bit of sea salt.
Good evening, everyone.
Ooh, and there's music in the background.
My name is Carpenter Will.
Let's go.
Beside me is Mark Belchip on the piano.
So, after having a bite of every single cookie, I had to get some ice cream or something else to wash it down because it was a lot of chocolate. Can't beat that. Until next time, guys, here's to your fairy wishes and Disney dreams. Bye.
If your heart is in your dreams.